Best deals.
1. Tawa is designed with just the right curvature and thickness to give you the best cooking results while making dosa. It is flat enough so that you can spread your batter easily. It has just the right amount of curve as well so that oil does not spill, which spillage may be unsafe when cooking on gas or other open flame cooktops. The tawa will serve you well for many years and always retain its unique shape with no warping or bulging. There are several tested recipes which will serve expert chefs as well those who are new to cooking. Tawa is well designed with just the right thickness to provide steady, even heating for cooking the uttapam nicely. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Curd Maker. Achieve thick, delicious yogurt effortlessly with our fine mesh strainer. The 1100 ml capacity is ideal for crafting large batches with perfect consistency. Beyond yogurt, easily strain smoothies, juices, and cheese. Our versatile strainer's fine mesh ensures smooth results without unwanted residues. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Dokla Maker. Made from premium stainless steel with a mirror finish for durability and aesthetic appeal. Includes sets for making large thatte idlis, mini idlis, and steaming vegetables, doklas, or momas. Thatte idli plates feature a non-stick surface for easy release and hassle-free cleaning. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Colander. Used for kitchen in draining rice, dals, fruits, vegetables, grains, pastas, noodles and other foods. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Hair Dryer Holder. Crafted from durable metal, this wall-mounted hair dryer holder offers a sleek and practical storage solution for your hair dryer and styling accessories. It keeps your hair dryer, styling tools, and small accessories neatly arranged in one place, perfect for bathrooms, salons, dressing rooms, and more. Adds a touch of sophistication to your bathroom or salon decor. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Cookware. Effortlessly cook your favorite dishes. Suitable for gas stoves, OTGs and campfires. Makes your dishes more delicious with a distinct flavor. Adds iron content to your meals that helps fight iron deficiency. Best in even heating and heat retention. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Cooker. Built with high-performance tri-ply stainless steel, ensuring even heat distribution, energy efficiency, and long-lasting durability. No hot spots, just perfect cooking every time. The step design prevents spills, while the built-in cavity under the whistle stores steam for better pressure control and flavor retention. Made from non-toxic, food-grade stainless steel. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Chopping Board. Are crafted from premium teak wood, known for its durability and natural resistance to moisture and bacteria. Designed specifically for kitchen use, the teak wood chopping boards provide a sturdy and reliable surface for all your chopping needs. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Jar. Keep your cooking essentials neatly stored and easily visible with these high-quality stainless steel containers. The transparent window makes it simple to check your supply levels at a glance. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Silicone Baking Mat. Provides a non-stick surface for easy food release. Flexible and stretchable for effortless rolling and shaping. Dishwasher safe for convenient cleaning and maintenance. The silicone mat is heat-resistant, non-stick, non-toxic, odorless, flexible, never tarnish or discolor. So it is healthy, safety, and reusable. You can use the mat many times. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Containers. Versatile set is fantastic for everything from flour and sugar to cereals and snacks. Plus, they're totally leak-proof, so go ahead and store those yummy sauces and liquids without a worry. Perfect for home, pantry, and even on the go. A microwave safe for quick reheats and freezer safe for longer storage. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Steamer. Cook noodles, pasta, soup, rice, boil eggs, steam vegetables, meat, fish, make tea or coffee and prepare quick meals easily with one compact appliance. Spacious 1.5 L capacity makes it ideal for daily cooking needs for students, bachelors, small families. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Fry pan is perfect to cook or serve omelette, egg fry, fish fry. Pan is made from cast aluminium body with a non-stick coated granite finish inner layer. Pan is made with a flat bottom which allows it to be placed evenly over heat source. Suitable for use on induction and gas cookers. To be used in low flame. Enjoy a low oil lifestyle with a PFOA-free pan, delivering healthier meals without sacrificing flavor. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Tawa. Perfectly crafted for making traditional roti, chilla, dosa. This cast iron tawa is an essential tool for any kitchen. Its design ensures even cooking and a crispy finish. The hard anodized surface offers non-stick properties, making this dosa tawa ideal for low-oil cooking. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Appam Patra is crafted with the PFOA-free non-stick coating shielded by stainless steel ridges. This allows you to use metal spatulas without causing damage and also ensures less wear and tear, ultimately extending the lifespan of your pan. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Casserole offers a unique cooking experience without any artificial coating. Enjoy healthy, tasty, and crispy food effortlessly as the spot embraces the concept of natural non-stick without the need for additional coatings. With the ability to withstand high heat and retain it effectively, this pan makes cooking a breeze. Its rugged build allows the use of metal ladles without a worry. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Tadka pan. The 10 cm size and 250 ml capacity ensure precise spice tempering, enhancing the flavor of your dishes effortlessly. The stay-cool wooden handle provides a secure grip, preventing burns and allowing for safe and comfortable cooking. The triple stainless steel construction ensures even heat distribution. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Soap dispenser. Effortless one-hand dispensing operation allows you to wash dishes faster, whilst reducing the space taken up on your sink. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Frying pan. Enjoy healthier, tastier, and crispier meals without the need for artificial coatings. Its ability to retain heat ensures even cooking and delicious results every time. As this frying pan is rugged, you can confidently use metal ladles without worrying about damaging its surface. This pan comes pre-seasoned with vegetable oil, ensuring long-lasting durability and effortless maintenance. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Container. Experience durability and elegance with Dal Pulses container, crafted from high-grade stainless steel, ensuring it won't rust or chip, making it perfect for long-term kitchen use. The see-through design allows you to quickly identify contents without opening the container, saving your time and reducing mess in your kitchen. Airtight freshness. Keep your cereals, pulses, and dry fruits fresh for longer periods with the airtight seal, preventing moisture and pests from entering. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Grater. Features 4 ultra-sharp stainless steel blades for efficient slicing and grating. Its precision food grip securely holds everything from cheese to veggies, acting like a food masher. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Atta maker. Knead all types of dough. From soft chapati dough to pizza dough, effortlessly with the atta kneader dough maker, saving your time and energy in the kitchen. With its 3-liter stainless steel bowl provides ample capacity to knead large batches of dough, making it perfect for families or batch cooking. The bowl is durable, easy to clean, and resistant to rust. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Container. Galvanized metal container with a charming color and stylish wooden lids. This container offers generous storage space, allowing you to store and organize a variety of kitchen essentials such as snack, bushu, sugar, spices, cookies. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Kadhai is crafted with the PFOA-free non-stick coating shielded by stainless steel ridges. This allows you to use metal spatulas without causing damage and also ensures less wear and tear. The extra thick 3 mm tri-ply construction ensures superior heat retention and even cooking. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Containers. The see-through glass-like lids allow for clear viewing of ingredients from all angles, making it easy to find what you need without opening multiple containers. The easy open, easy close lids pop open with one hand for grabbing ingredients straight from the pantry with minimal mess or waste and hassle-free handling. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Coffee maker. Elevate your coffee experience with the Sipology Vintage French Press. Crafted meticulously from premium materials and designed for optimal brewing performance, this French press guarantees a cup of coffee that's as robust as it is delightful. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Scrubber. Are built to last and can be reused multiple times, making them a cost-effective choice for your kitchen. The small hole design of these wire dishwashing rags generates rich foam, allowing for efficient cleaning of tableware, pots, and more. Additionally, they can be used directly to clean grills, stoves, and other surfaces. Rags are crafted using advanced diamond grid weaving technology, ensuring durability. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Matka stand. Strong stainless steel construction designed to hold heavy clay matka steel water pot or container while maintaining stability on kitchen platforms, dining tables or pantry storage spaces. Raised stand height allows easy placement of glass bottle or cup under the water tap, which helps reduce lifting of the matka and improves convenience during daily use. Bottom tray collects dripping water from taps or containers, helping keep kitchen counters dry, clean and organized while preventing water stains or surface damage. Compact round design fits easily on small kitchen spaces, shelves or table surfaces, making it suitable for homes, offices and shared dining areas. Rust-resistant stainless steel frame remains durable even with regular water exposure, making it suitable for long-term kitchen usage and daily handling. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Shelf. Self-adhesive strip that provides a load-bearing capacity of up to 5 kg. Much better than old suction types that keeps falling every now and then. Magic Sticker is an innovative formula that grasps the surface firmly and greatly improves the loading ability and service life of wall-mounted accessories in bathroom, kitchens and elsewhere in the home, with no damage to your walls. Simply choose a smooth surface such as tiles, glass, metal etc. to install your Magic Sticker series kitchen and bathroom accessories. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Vacuum cleaner. 1600 watts motor gives you a powerful suction power of 24 kilopascals to quickly remove dirt from any kind of dry surface, leaving your interior spotlessly clean. The HEPA filter traps the small airborne particles like dust, pollen and molds. It acts as a dust barrier to prevent the motor from getting clogged, and also prevents any recirculation of the dust particles. Cyclonic suction system accelerates air in the cyclonic chamber to separate out the dust. The 1.5 liters bagless bin is designed for hygienic removing and emptying with one hand, which helps minimize dust clouds. The vacuum cleaner has a compact design with large wheels for easy portability. It has a 5 meters long cable which is designed for maximum flow coverage. Cleaner is a powerful and efficient cleaning tool built for both home and office use. It features a robust 1600 watt motor that generates up to 24 kilopascals of variable suction power, making quick work of deep set dirt, fine dust, and everyday debris on various floor types. Utilizing advanced cyclonic technology, this vacuum separates dust from the air stream efficiently within its 1.5 liter translucent bagless dust bin, ensuring sustained suction without clogging. Weighing in as a compact and lightweight unit, it is designed for effortless maneuverability and easy storage in tight spaces. The appliance comes equipped with multiple specialized accessories to handle diverse cleaning tasks, from delicate upholstery to hard-to-reach crevice, combining high performance with user-friendly operation. At the heart of this machine is its high-output motor, which delivers exceptional cleaning results. 1600W motor provides strong, continuous airflow for heavy-duty cleaning sessions. 24 kPa variable suction allows users to dial down or ramp up power depending on the surface. Cyclonic action spins dust away from the filter to maintain peak suction performance. Deep cleaning lifts stubborn dirt from deep within carpets and rugs. Hard floss glides smoothly over tile, wood, and laminate without scratching. The physical build prioritizes convenience, ensuring that cleaning feels less like a chore. 1.5L bagless bin offers ample capacity for large spaces without frequent emptying. One-touch emptying, hygienic release mechanism drops dirt straight into the trash. Lightweight frame reduces arm fatigue during extended cleaning runs. Compact footprint stores easily in small closets or under desks. Ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip and precise control. A suite of attachments expands the utility of the vacuum across multiple environments. Crevice tool reaches deep between sofa cushions and car seats. Upholstery brush freshens up fabric furniture, mattresses, and curtains. Standard flow head adapts seamlessly from carpets to hard floors. Extension wands help reach high corners and low baseboards. To maximize versatility across various terrains, a comprehensive suite of multiple accessories is bundled into the cleaning arsenal, transforming a single core unit into a multi-surface remediation system. Product link is given in the 29th link.